Turning to HealthWatch, are there genetic factors that can increase someone's risk of attempting suicide?
Local 5's Connie Feldman looks into whether suicidal tendencies could be hidden in our DNA.
The CDC considers suicide a serious health problem. In 2020, more than 1 million people in the U.S. made a suicide attempt. Suicidal behaviors have been strongly linked to mental disorders, but researchers involved in one of the largest genetic studies on suicide attempts say there may also be a genetic factor.
Every 11 minutes, someone in the U.S. dies by suicide.
Suicide is the 10th leading cause of death in the United States. It's top 3 among young adults and adolescents.
Main risk factors for suicide attempt include depression and mental health disorders. But researchers from an international suicide genetics consortium say risk factors may also be hidden within our DNA. They looked at the DNA sequence of 500,000 people. 30,000 were people who'd attempted suicide.
And what we found is that there actually is independent genetic risk that is contributing directly to suicide attempt and is not simply through the risk for psychiatric disorders.
The researchers identified that increased risk from a region on chromosome 7. Even after controlling for psychiatric disorders, that risk was still significant.
It really supports the idea that there's no one risk factor that just defines suicide attempt.
Genetics is just one of many factors.
But genetics is not destiny. The hope would be to take that information and to use it as a pathway to understand ways in which we can both reduce risk or find strategies to intervene.
And bring light to those who may be in a dark place.
Researchers say for every person who dies by suicide, there are 20 attempts made. If you or someone you know needs help, call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 1-800-273-TALK. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Feldman, Local 5 News.